January.
Okay.
Yep, go sit down. I'll get them.
Come here, by me.
I think the blue one was pretty.
Sitting up here.
Brandon, what one was yours?
Blue.
Oh. I don't know.
I'm sitting up here. I'm sitting up here.
You guys scoot back, give yourself some room. So you got room to open your presents.
I don't need room because I already have room.
Oh, you're special. I know, I hate being taped.
Don't open them until everybody gets a present. That's a big fat box. Puppy. Till everybody gets a present, don't open. How am I going to open it? Untie this. Wait, stop farting. He's like 5 years. I think yours.
What the heck?
Really, you don't want to wait, do you? What the barnacle butt?
Don't talk like that.
The barnacle butt.